Welcome back to ABCT Stock Review. Today, we're running our momentum watch list of 45 small cap setups for June 4th, 2026, including SHPH, BGMS, RYOJ, Veru, and more. For each name, here's where price sits versus our planned entry and upside targets. Shuttle Pharmaceuticals Holdings, founded in 2012, is focused on developing cancer therapies using an AI-driven platform. With a market cap of $2.88 million, today it saw a dip of over 6%, likely due to momentum-driven trading. Performance has been lackluster with a 52-week range of 49 cents to $5.57, showing a downward trend across all time frames. Currently priced at 49 cents, the planned entry is at 74 cents, with upside targets at $1.11 and $1.48. Watch the 74-cent level for potential recovery. Green Med Solution Inc. is involved in the distribution and installation of fire safety equipment. With a market cap of $5.85 million, the stock remained flat today, but experienced unprecedented interest with volume surging 1,566 times its average. Despite a year-long downtrend, today's setup presents a price at $1.06 against a planned entry of $2.54, targeting $3.81 and $5.08. The distance to these targets suggests significant upside potential. rYojbaba Co. Ltd. specializes in consulting and health services in Japan, holding a market cap of $38.81 million. Today, it saw a jump of nearly 11% due to a new $3.2 million agreement supporting international labor. While performance over the last year shows a slight decline, shares currently sit at 3.36 cents, below the planned entry of $3.89. Upsides are targeted at $5.84 and $7.78, creating an appealing scenario to watch as it approaches this key level. Veru Inc. is a biopharmaceutical company developing treatments for metabolic diseases with a market cap of $67.89 million. Today, the stock surged by 88% on substantial news relating to a collaboration with Novo Nordisk, driving volume to 1,325 times its average. Despite strong recent performance, shares sit at $4.23 below the planned entry of $4.82. Targets are set at $7.23 and $9.64, making this a key stock to monitor. Real Messenger Corporation operates a real estate technology platform and holds a market cap of $12.20 million. The stock is up 23.46% today amid a significant volume increase, spiking 464 times its average. With a one-year decline of nearly 44%, the share price sits at $1.10, below the planned entry of $1.14. Upside targets are $1.71 and $2.28, presenting an interesting setup for risk-averse traders. LogProstyle Inc. is engaged in real estate development with a market cap of $15 million. The stock today rose over 9% due to heavy trading activity, 203 times its average. Although the stock has been trending down over the past year, it currently trades at 63 cents, below the planned entry of 64.35 cents, with targets set at 96.52 cents and $1.2870. Watch the entry level closely, as it may present opportunities. Leishen Energy Holding Co. Limited provides clean energy solutions within the oil and gas sector, with a market cap of $75.51 million. Today, the stock jumped nearly 39% on significant trading volume, 28 times its average. Despite a soft year-long trend, it's currently priced at $4.43 below the planned entry of $5.99. The targets sit at $8.98 and $11.98, which could indicate substantial upside potential. WF International Limited specializes in HVAC services and has a market cap of $6.76 million. The stock surged over 57% today, propelled by a dramatic trading volume of 21 times its average. Riding a remarkable upward trend over the past year, the stock now sits at $6, below the planned entry of $8.64. Upside targets are at $12.96 and $17.28, positioning it as a key player in today's market. Everbright Digital Holding Limited, founded in 2021, provides marketing solutions based in Hong Kong with a market cap of $6.98 million. Today, the stock surged 60.47% on 2,602x average volume, indicating heavy unusual interest and a breakout potential as flagged by the early scanner. Over the last year, it's down 71.8%, with a 52-week range between $2.18 and $100.32. Currently priced at $4.19, it's below the planned entry of $6.17, with T1 at $9.25 and T2 at $12.34. Watch for the next level at the entry point. Foxx Development Holdings Inc., founded in 2017, specializes in the sales of electronic products, with a market cap of $36.97 million. The stock rose 83.57% today, driven by 5 times average volume, signaling heavy, unusual interest. Its one-year performance shows a decline of 12.6%, with a 52-week range of $1.71 to $7.88. Currently priced at $5.25, it remains below the planned entry of $7.05, while T1 sits at $10.575 and T2 at $14.01. Keep an eye on the entry level as key support. Nexera Technologies Limited, which operates as a data-driven e-commerce company focused on AI and security tech, has a market cap of $1.26 million. The stock saw a 52.94% gain today, amid 143 times average volume, reflecting significant unusual interest and potential, as flagged by the early scanner. In the past year, it's down 94.1%, with a 52-week range from $1.02 to $120.43. Currently at $1.56, it is above the planned entry of $1.10, with T1 at $1.65 and T2 at $2.20. Watch the support at planned entry. Baosheng Media Group Holdings Limited operates as an online marketing solution provider in China, with a market cap of $3.77 million. Today, the stock dropped 24.31%, indicating a market pullback. Its one-year performance is down 19.3%, with the 52-week range at $2.29 to $4.86. Currently priced at $2.46, it remains below the planned entry of $3.59, and targets are set at T1 of $5.385 and T2 of $7.18. Watch for signs of recovery at these levels. TaoWeave Inc., a digital asset treasury company, is valued at $5.56 million. The stock increased 13.38% today, driven by momentum and volume. Its one-year performance is down 27.1%, with a 52-week range from $0.67 to $5.32. Currently at $1.61, it's below the planned entry of $2.28, with T1 targeting $3.42 and T2 at $4.56. Observing the projections can provide insight into potential gains. IOThree Limited specializes in maritime digital technologies and has a market cap of $10.52 million. The stock rose 10.22% today, with a notable volume elevating interest. The one-year performance shows an increase of 34.4%, with a 52-week range of $1.56 to $5.33. At $4.10, it's just below the planned entry of $4.18, while T1 is set at $6.27 and T2 at $8.36. Watch for potential movement above entry. Acco Group Holdings Limited, founded in 2009, operates in corporate service provision in Hong Kong and Singapore, with a market cap of $18.27 million. Today, the stock fell 11.49%, reflecting the pressure in the market. Over the past year, it has seen a significant decline of 65.6%, trading between $1.30 and $4.51. Currently at $1.31, it's priced below the planned entry of $1.81, with targets at T1 of $2.71.5